cube is a very special object. It's a toy, it's a puzzle. I prefer to call it a piece of art. It's a construction. It's an educational tool. So it is many things. I was lecturing architecture and construction. And for the students, the best way to teach them is to show them what to do. So I was interested about to create something that is mobile, simple, and contains some kind of task. And finally, I was falling in love with the cube as a form because it has very special qualities. After I did it, and it was working nicely, my prototypes, I think if I like something, somebody else will like it as well. I thought if we can produce it on a good price, cheap, it's possible something will happen. I was not dreaming about success. I was not dreaming about numbers or figures. I had the feeling I can share what I've done, and it will be good. At first, we started to sell in Hungary. The big boom or change started in the 80s when we stepped into the world market. At first in New York, but all of the other trade shows, toy shows around the world. And in 3 years, that was the golden days of the cube, the first big boom. And in that time, original cubes was sold more than 100 million. It generated some income for me, but I was not expecting such a figures. I felt it's like some kind of when you win a lottery, or you know, so you find money on the street. Competitions, I can say it's some kind of side effect. It's not something that I was targeting. My average time was 1 minute. I was over 30 already, and the best age to do it successfully, it's under 20. It helps to understand the three-dimensional movements, to exercise our mind, to imagine something, to understand that if I change the elements of the movements, the result will be not the same. The progress is not a continuous line, but we go forward and a little bit back and go again. So you need many times to destroy something to achieve a progress. Happy cubing.